This is my new toy. I'm going to open it. Okay, I have to get a knife, so I'll do that. Let's see now. It's been opened by customs, so I hope everything's okay in here. And down along the edge. Okay, here we go. Beautiful Africa. I hope I'm right. Yes, I am. I hope I wasn't going to say South America. This is South America. It's beautiful. All different kinds of wood and no labels and no colors. It's from Puzzle People. I'm so happy to get my new toy. Next we've got, let's see which way it goes. This is why I need the puzzles, because I don't know my areas. This is actually Europe. Now I don't even know which way it goes, forgive me. And of course we all know this one. It's the good old United States of America. Beautiful puzzles. And what have I got here? Something. Oh, it was just stuffing. That's funny. Okay, I've got all the rest of the paperwork to take out, but I am as pleased as ever to get my puzzles, because I'm going to have some challenges and games with my children and my grandchildren. Thank you, Puzzle People. I'm thrilled to get my puzzles.